Hey, it's Rich. I've got 5 ways to market your business in 2021. I promise I won't say unprecedented or the new normal. I'm Rich Graham with Big Promotions. We help people surprise and delight their audience with branded swag and merch. Let's face it, the way things are right now are the way they're going to be for a while. Belly-to-belly meetings are just out. Rare in-person trade shows, limited FaceTime with customers. You'll need to figure out other ways to engage your audience. Tip number 1, post your wins on social. Be positive. Create content that tells your story in a positive light. Celebrate the wins, and you've probably got more wins than you think you do. Not just the big deals you landed, not just the great connections you scored. A win could be something simple, like a fun holiday karaoke party you just had. Or maybe your kids taught you how to do something really cool on Zoom. Get personal. People buy from people. Tell your story in a positive way. This is content that will last and last. Tip number 2, we still have email. If you have a list, use it. Fill your emails full of useful content. We get about a 20% open rate on our monthly emails. We don't just hustle products. We offer marketing tips, blog articles, things like this video. Sometimes we'll highlight a promotion that some other company did that was successful. If you're not already collecting email addresses, go ahead and start that now. Come up with some kind of lead magnet. Maybe it's a PDF or a video showing how to use your product. Basically, provide value. Give, and then ask. Jab, 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 right hook. Tip number 3, reach out to customers via snail mail. Go retro. Yeah, everybody hates the post office, but the post office works. Direct mail is a great way to reach out. In addition to sending printed materials, you can send branded gifts, bumpy mail, things your recipients would appreciate, help get them through their day. Give them a lift. Tip number 4, create and host your own virtual events. With limited trade shows and no in-person meetings, you have to find ways to be in touch. This is more than just a glorified Zoom call. There's hosting platforms like Hopin and virtual tables or SignalWire or Bigmarker. Event producers like Lyon's Den. There are tons of options out there for every budget that will allow your people to engage with your customers and prospects. Tip number 5 is my favorite. Branded swag kits create physical engagement. Whether it's work from home kits, employee onboarding kits, thank you gifts, or attendee gifts. Everybody says they have Zoom fatigue, but what they really have is boredom. Zoom meetings are boring. So spice them up by sending out swag ahead of time. If you're having a meeting, make it a happy hour. Send out cocktail mixes or printed drink recipes. Maybe branded barware. We're working on a project where the recipients are getting coffee, tea, or cocoa in a branded mug. They'll have these in plenty of time for the event. Some will even take selfies and put it on social, driving more excitement for the event. You could try doing exercise or yoga, maybe a breathing and meditation exercise. You can have stress balls or scented candles, maybe resistance bands. These are gifts that'll last and last way after the event's over. These are just a few ideas. There's tons of others out there. You really have to think outside the box if you want to stay relevant. So this is a great time to pivot and really think about how you define your business and tell your story. Thanks for watching my little video about marketing in 2021. If you got value from this, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. Hit the subscribe button and click that bell to get notified whenever we post something new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.